Hey guys, Gretchen here with the third and final heart symbol for Kava Reiki. Woo new! And I will put up a video on how to draw all of these this week too. So, woo new, pronounced woo new, reconnection symbol. This one's pretty easy to draw too. So you go in your loop D and you bring this line across and then another line down. 1, 2, ah. Do you see this? How many symbols is that in so far? A lot of them, right? I mean, you have the Atlantean Dichomeo, you have Chokure, you have Kriya, just to name a few of them. Love those spirals. I love my nautiluses too. Those are really fun to meditate with. But enough about that. So Wunu is the reconnection symbol. Oftentimes we disconnect ourselves from the source, from the universal love, light, all of that. We have gone through so much trauma that we've blocked our heart off. Let's revisit all three of these. Okay, so first we had Siko, the sincerity symbol. So that removes everything that is not sincere, not righteous, not forthright from you, from your client, whatever. It takes away those things that you don't sincerely want. You may have been programmed to believe that you want it, but it gets rid of the things that you don't sincerely want, that your higher self is like, nah, man, you don't really want to do this. You just think you do because you get really good attention when you do it from this group of people. It makes you feel good. That's just ego. It's not sincerity. So we're going to get rid of everything that's not sincerely yours, not meant for you. And then the next one is Be Tru. So Be Tru, it was that one that, after we get those chakras going, we get those blockages released, get everything, but we still don't know what's going on. So sometimes when you release that blockage, that area around that blockage is still closed off. So that Be Tru symbol opens up that and allows all those blockages to flow out the way that they're meant to flow out. This third one, Wunu, is the third piece in the puzzle, the reconnection. So if you have blocked yourself off, and especially your heart chakra, if you block that heart chakra off, or if your clients have blocked that heart chakra off, they have a shell around their heart, icy heart, cold-hearted, you've heard all of the things. Chances are they have likely cut themselves off from the universal source, from the light, from the energy, from all of those great energies coming towards them. So Wunu reconnects them to the universal source. This is done after we've removed the lack of sincerity, and then we have opened up the area for the blockages to release through, and now we'll reconnect them. So using all three of these in order when doing healings, if you're doing a specific thing, is great. Sometimes you'll only need one or two of these. Sometimes you'll need just one. Sometimes you will need all three. I do recommend that you use all three after you get your attunement. Your attunement is the next video. So I recommend for all of my healers, do your chakra blowout video like I had you do for your Kundalini. I'll put that link in below. And make sure you really concentrate on that heart chakra and that danshin point behind before you do your attunement, because like I said, all three of these heart symbols, they're not going to be attuned into your crown chakra. They're going to come in through your heart chakra. We're going to be doing something a little different with this attunement. Yes. So I hope this was enough information for you about Wunu, the reconnection symbol. It's the source. It just puts us to the source of loving energy, and it reconnects us with our inner source, with our higher selves. A lot of times we have disconnected from them too, and we're like, now we got this, and that's our ego and our control talking again, right? So this will help release some of that ego and control, and you'll be like, yeah, I don't really enjoy doing that. I'm really good at it, and I really enjoy the attention from it. I myself have been going through a few of these epiphanies. That's why I keep bringing it up. I've been streamlining my life to get to the life that I actually freaking want, instead of the life, just because you can do anything doesn't mean you have to do everything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you'd like to see more, and I do a lot of Reiki videos. There will be several Reiki videos released this week, as well as 2 herbalism videos and an I am to get your groove back. That one will be Reiki imbued, so woo, more healing there. Anyway, hit that subscribe button for me, and until next time, namaste.